This is a quick video to show how Windows XP mode runs in Windows 7 in order to run applications that don't run on Windows 7 or not compatible. We run a program called AutoCAD 2002, which is not compatible with Windows 7, doesn't run. And the first thing I'm going to do is show you on here on Virtual PC. I've installed the Virtual PC in Windows XP mode. There's three applications you have to install in a particular order and configure them, but once it's configured, it's pretty straightforward. But if you launch this XP mode, what you'll notice here is that you have Windows XP running with all the annoying pop-ups inside Windows 7. So it's literally a virtual PC. All you do is install the application that you need as you normally would. So you can see here I still have the AutoCAD CD on my computer. Ran the install like normal, and here's the program. The cool thing about Windows 7, you don't need to run this application within this environment. You just need to do this to install it. And then what you do now is you log off. You don't need to go into XP environment, the virtual machine, unless you're going to actually install something. So once you install an application, you're pretty much done with the virtual PC part of it. If you look under Virtual PC, it creates a folder called XP Mode Application and lists all of the applications that are currently installed for XP Mode. You can right click and add that to the taskbar, to the start bar, or even create a shortcut on your desktop, just like a normal program. In my case, I added it to the start bar, so here it is. So in order to launch it in Windows 7, you simply launch it like any other application. Since Virtual PC is in hibernation mode, it doesn't take up any CPU or RAM away from your resources, but it is sitting there waiting for you to wake it up. And the way you do that is by launching the actual program. So you can see here I now have AutoCAD 2002 running inside of Windows XP. Running inside of Windows 7 using XP mode, but there's no evidence of the actual virtual PC. All you see is the floating application and minimizes just like a normal app. So the actual virtual PC and the XP operating system are invisible to the end user once it's set up, but it allows you to run these old applications just like you normally would with pretty good performance. Pretty neat. To close it, you just close it like any other normal application and relaunch it like any other application. Again, this is running an XP operating system virtually, but you don't see any evidence of it. So it's pretty neat the way Windows 7 does that. And this is how we're going to be running incompatible software, which we only have a couple that we need to do that for. Hope that made sense. And there you go.